So this is my fence. It's about 20 years old now, and it's in great condition because I always stained it once every about 5 years or so. The wood is great with the exception of the very bottom. It has rotted out down here. So it's completely severed from the rot, causing this to sway. So I'm going to use this bar here, this metal bar. It's got some holes in it. I'm going to put it right down here. I'm going to wedge it in there, right in between the concrete and the wood. I'm going to wedge it into the concrete post, and I'm going to fasten it with screws along the side. It's going to go down about this much, so it should come around here. And that should hold it up. I'm going to do a couple of them. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting this right inside the gap. Right there. It's going to look like that. I'm going to hammer down from the top. Okay, it's starting to go down and it's up against here. Let's take a quick look at it. I'm hammering from the top and it's up flush along there, and it's going to get screwed in to here. Screwed in there and there, all the way down. It's already really strong. I can tell that's super strong. Alright. Very nice. Just a little bit more. There's a little bit of damage here. You might want to be careful of that. Okay, I'm getting tired. So at this point I'm going to screw it in. Okay, so here I've got these really large 3-inch screws, right? I'm going to use those to go into the side. Just a few spots to hold this on. I'll move the camera. Okay, so I'm going to do this so you can see. Just going to move that in and hold it in place. Whoops. Right, first one's in. And one more. Wow, so much better. I'm going to put one more on the other side. This one was more difficult to get in, but it did go in nonetheless. There it is there. You're going in between the concrete, which is a large circle here, and the wood, which is usually just rotted, and you're kind of trying to get in between there. So you're not really sure what you're digging into. That's why this was more difficult. So much better. So that's the two, one on this side and one on the other side in the inside of the fence. So this fix took me about half an hour. These are about $12 each, and the screws here, as you can see, they're 3.5 inch, and these are probably the most expensive things out of the whole fix. So with about a half an hour and about 30-40 bucks, you can save yourself thousands of dollars on a fence. It'd be a shame to replace all this wood just because of the rot on the bottom. This should last me a few more years.